The journey of industrial potato chips begins here, on vast farms dedicated to growing potatoes. Specialized harvesters lift potatoes from the soil and gently transfer them onto collection conveyors. Large trailers are filled with freshly harvested potatoes, ready to be transferred into transport trucks.
Even in the field, potatoes are visually checked to meet strict size and quality requirements.
Loaded white trucks transport only potatoes directly from the farms to the nearby processing facility.
On arrival, every truck enters a secure, modern facility dedicated solely to processing potatoes into chips.
Trucks are carefully positioned at the unloading bays to connect directly into the potato intake system. Hydraulic lifters tilt the truck, allowing potatoes to flow directly into stainless steel receiving hoppers. A first conveyor spreads the potatoes and lets loose soil fall away before deeper processing.
Trained technicians monitor incoming potatoes, ensuring only suitable raw material continues into the plant. Large holding bins buffer the potato flow, feeding a constant supply into the washing and peeling systems.
From the buffer bin, potatoes enter a water flume that begins deep cleaning and gentle transport.
As they travel, the tumbling motion in water helps rinse off loose soil from every side of each potato. Perforated elevators lift the potatoes out of the flume, draining excess water before brush washing.
Powered brushes scrub every side of each potato, while clean water jets rinse away remaining dirt and debris.
A final high-pressure rinse leaves the potatoes clean and ready for peeling, removing any remaining surface residue.
Abrasion peelers gently remove the outer skin of each potato, preparing a smooth surface for uniform slicing later.
These clean, peeled, and size-graded potatoes now gather in a hopper, ready to be fed steadily into the slicing system.
Clean peeled potatoes are fed in a controlled stream into high-speed slicers for precise cutting. Guides and centrifugal forces align each potato before it reaches the high-speed slicing blades. Rotating discs slice each potato into dozens of identical, paper-thin slices in a fraction of a second.
Operators continuously monitor and adjust slicer settings to keep every potato slice within tight thickness tolerances.
Slicer interiors are opened and rinsed, removing every stray potato slice before production restarts. Gentle circulation keeps slices separated and exposes every surface to fresh rinse water for efficient starch removal.
Vibrating dewatering screens remove excess surface water, preparing slices for the controlled blanching step. Slices now enter a continuous blancher, where gentle heat helps stabilize texture and color before frying.
Time and temperature are precisely set, so each slice receives identical blanching conditions across the belt.
Exiting the blancher, slices are drained and lightly cooled, ready to continue toward the industrial fryers. Leaving blanching, slices pass under air knives that remove moisture before they enter the continuous fryer.
The continuous fryer is designed to accept a perfectly even sheet of slices for consistent cooking.
As slices enter the fryer, they float onto hot oil and are guided forward by a submerged belt system.
In the first fryer zone, slices are fully submerged, so heat and moisture removal stay uniform across the belt.
As moisture boils away, each slice curls slightly and turns a uniform light golden color along the fryer path.
At the fryer discharge, crisp chips are lifted from the oil and begin draining before further oil removal steps.
Vibration and air knives work together to strip free oil from the chip surfaces before cooling begins.
Filtered air cools the chips on wide, perforated belts, stabilizing their texture before seasoning is applied.
Spiral coolers extend contact with cool air, bringing chips close to ambient temperature throughout their thickness.
Once cooled,
Plain chips are directed into a rotating drum, where seasoning is applied under controlled conditions.
Gentle tumbling inside the drum ensures every chip receives a consistent seasoning layer without breaking.
Seasoned chips leave the rotating drum in a uniform layer, ready for final cooling and detailed quality checks.
A final cooling conveyor stabilizes seasoned chips, setting their texture before they reach quality inspection systems.
High-speed camera systems scan every chip, checking shape and color before any defective pieces are removed. Live dashboards show exactly how many Lay's chips each line produces, minute by minute. Air jets precisely eject dark or misshapen chips, ensuring only perfect pieces move forward to packaging.
Skilled operators add a final visual check, catching any flaws that automated systems might have missed on the line.
Around the clock, Lay's potato chips continue to move through the line, keeping up with global demand.
Multiple quality lanes run in parallel, allowing millions of chips to be checked every hour without interruption.
Engineers watch live feeds of potatoes and Lay's chips, tracking every stage of production in real time.
Regular samples are pulled from the line so quality teams can perform more detailed checks away from the conveyor. On a backlit panel, technicians compare sample chips against target color profiles to maintain a consistent appearance. Dedicated instruments measure chip moisture, confirming that each batch is crisp without being over-dried or undercooked.
Mechanical crispness tests ensure that each chip has the familiar snap and bite expected by consumers worldwide. Dynamic check weighers track the continuous chip flow, helping keep downstream portion sizes accurate and stable.
Every chip stream passes through a metal detector, providing an additional safeguard against any accidental foreign material.
From a central control area, supervisors track quality metrics and live images to verify every line stays within specification.
Only chips that pass every inspection step are released toward the automated packaging systems downstream.
From quality control, approved chips enter vibratory feeders that create a smooth, even flow toward the weighing machines.
Radial feed pans distribute chips around the multi-head weigher, preparing multiple small portions for precise combination weighing.
Computer-controlled hoppers release tiny chip portions, combining them into exactly the right weight for each bag.
Lay's packaging film is shaped into a tube to receive freshly fried chips. Heated seal jaws close the Lay's bag securely along the back seam. Sealed Lay's bags exit the machine and move forward for inspection. Check weighers confirm every Lay's bag meets the correct weight. Metal detectors add a final safety check to every Lay's bag. Operators visually check Lay's bags for seal quality and appearance. Collatas organize Lay's bags into precise groups for packing. Group Lay's bags are packed into cartons for storage and delivery. Freshly packed cartons of Lay's potato chips are sealed automatically, protecting the product for storage and transport. Inkjet coders mark each Lay's chip carton with batch and date codes, enabling full traceability through the supply chain.
Robotic palletizers build uniform stacks of Lay's potato chip cartons, creating stable loads for efficient storage and shipping.
Stretch wrapping secures each pallet of Lay's chip cartons, protecting them from dust and shifting during storage and transport. Electric forklifts transfer wrapped pallets of Lay's potato chips from the packing lines into the controlled warehouse environment. All racking systems store thousands of pallets of Lay's potato chip cartons, organized by production date and destination.
Forklift operators place each pallet of Lay's potato chips into a specific rack location, following computer-generated storage plans. Handheld scanners log each pallet of Lay's potato chips into the warehouse system, tracking inventory in real time. Finished store orders are staged on the floor, each pallet of Lay's chips assigned to a specific outbound delivery route.
Regional trailers are loaded with store-specific pallets of Lay's chips, ready to travel to supermarkets and retailers. Forklifts load wrapped pallets of Lay's potato chips into white trailers, stacking them tightly to maximize each outbound shipment. Inside the trailer, pallets of Lay's potato chips are braced with load bars so they stay secure and undamaged throughout the journey.
Fully loaded white trucks leave the factory, carrying pallets of Lay's potato chips to regional distribution centers and major customers.
These trailers now deliver perfectly packed potato chips to stores nationwide.
From factory doors to retail shelves, the journey continues.